Picture this: you're behind the wheel of a truck that feels like it was built to conquer the toughest challenges. The engine rumbles to life, a deep, throaty growl that commands attention. You press the accelerator, and in an instant, you feel the raw power surging through the vehicle. This isn't just a truck, this is the Dodge Ram 2500, a machine that redefines what a heavy-duty pickup can be. If trucks had a personality, the Ram 2500 would be the rugged, no-nonsense workhorse, the one that's always ready to tackle the toughest jobs, whether it's hauling heavy loads, towing massive trailers, or navigating off-road terrain. It's not just a truck, it's a statement that says you don't just drive, you dominate. The Dodge Ram 2500 isn't just a pickup, it's a legend. Since its debut, it has been the go-to choice for those who need a vehicle that can handle the most demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. It's the truck of choice for contractors, adventurers, and anyone who values power, durability, and versatility. But what makes the Ram 2500 so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just a truck, it's a masterpiece of engineering, design, and capability. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about heavy-duty trucks in general. Myth number 1. Heavy-duty trucks are only for work, not comfort. Wrong. The Ram 2500 is proof that you can have both. With its luxurious interior, advanced technology, and smooth ride, it's a truck that's as comfortable on a cross-country road trip as it is on a job site. Myth number 2. Heavy-duty trucks are gas guzzlers with no regard for efficiency. Think again. The Ram 2500 offers a range of engine options, including a 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel that delivers impressive fuel efficiency for its class. And myth number 3. Heavy-duty trucks are difficult to drive. Not the Ram 2500. With its responsive handling, advanced driver assistance features, and available air suspension, it's as easy to drive as a smaller vehicle. It's not just a truck, it's a smart, versatile choice for modern drivers. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the Ram 2500 even more. Did you know that the Ram 2500 can tow up to 19,680 pounds and haul a payload of up to 4,010 pounds? That's enough to tow a large boat, a fully loaded trailer, or even a small house. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Ram 2500's 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine produces a staggering 1,075 pound-feet of torque, making it one of the most powerful trucks on the market. It's not just a truck, it's a powerhouse. But the Ram 2500 isn't just about raw power, it's also about comfort and convenience. The interior is designed with both work and play in mind, featuring premium materials, advanced technology, and plenty of storage options. From the 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system to the available leather-trimmed seats, every detail is designed to make life on the road more enjoyable. And with available 4-corner air suspension, the Ram 2500 delivers a ride that's as smooth as it is capable. It's not just a truck, it's a luxury vehicle in disguise. Think about the last time you needed a vehicle that could do it all. The Ram 2500 is here to answer that call. With its rugged design and advanced features, it's the perfect truck for tackling tough jobs, exploring off-road trails, or simply cruising down the highway in style. Whether you're hauling heavy equipment, towing a trailer, or heading out on a weekend adventure, the Ram 2500 is ready for anything. It's not just a truck, it's a solution to the challenges of modern life. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Ram 2500 isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as powerful as it is reliable. The Ram 2500 offers a range of engine options, from the 6.4-liter Hemi V8 to the 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel. The Hemi V8 delivers 410 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque, while the Cummins turbo diesel produces 370 horsepower and that jaw-dropping 1,075 pound-feet of torque. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or cruising down the highway, the Ram 2500 delivers a ride that's as smooth as it is confident. And with available 4-wheel drive and electronic locking differentials, it's ready for any terrain, or lack thereof. But what really sets the Ram 2500 apart is its commitment to innovation. This is a truck that's packed with cutting-edge technology, from the 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system to the advanced driver assistance features. The infotainment system offers seamless connectivity, allowing you to control everything from navigation to music with just a few taps. And the driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, help keep you and your passengers safe on the road. It's not just a truck, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. So, what does the Dodge Ram 2500 mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have power and comfort, capability and luxury, ruggedness and refinement. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and ambitious as you are. It's a truck that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're tackling tough jobs, exploring off-road trails, or simply cruising down the highway, the Ram 2500 is the ultimate companion. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of truck enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of innovation, and the beauty of iconic design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most legendary vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Dodge Ram 2500 isn't just a truck, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: power, performance, and capability. It's a truck that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it elevates the journey itself. So, are you ready to experience the ultimate in heavy-duty performance? Because the Ram 2500 isn't just a truck, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.